In this video, let me show you how to get Alex and Archero 2. First, make sure you have the Archero 2 app. If you don't have, just download it on the Play Store or App Store. Next, let's open Archero 2 and make sure you are logged in. After that, go to Equipments located at the bottom of your screen. Now click on the Characters tab, and as you can see, Alex is the default character in this game, so you can easily have this character upon installing the game. However, if you want to make it strong, your character can gather some Alex shards to start up. Now click on the shop, and you can see the Alex shards and buy it with gems. You can also earn shards by playing some stages and or joining in events. Just click the events at the bottom right and participate to get some shards. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.